Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the CountIf function in Microsoft Excel. Here I have some data about cars in column A. Let us say we want to count the number of Tesla cars that appear in our data. I should be able to just glance over the list and find out that there are 4 Teslas. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But what if our list is very long and it contains thousands of cars in the list? So in this case, we have got this CountIf function which comes handy. So what we need to do is anywhere in a cell, we need to click and put the equal to sign and then start typing CountIf. So if I start the bracket, it asks me for the range. So if I just click on the first data item and select until the last data item, which is A2 to A20. Now type comma. Now it asks about criteria. Criteria is we want to know about how many Tesla cars are in this list. So if I just start the code and type Tesla, close the code, close the bracket and press the enter key, see it gives me 4. So similarly, if you want to change it to say BMW, the formula changes to BMW. Of course, we need to put quotes around the data and press enter. It tells me there is only one BMW. The CountIf function also works on the numbers. So let me quickly unhide these cells. So in this list, we have got a salary of few people, and if I want to know a number of people whose salary is above say 2000, so what I will do is I will do the same thing, type the equal to sign, start typing CountIf, bracket start, and specify the range. In this case our range is E2 to E10, put a comma. So we want to find out how many employees have got salary greater than 2000. So in the quotes type greater than sign and 2000, close the quote, close the bracket and press enter. So it shows me there are 3 employees whose salary is greater than 2000. So obviously 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, you can use this formula to find out say people whose salary is less than 2000. So you can replace it with the less than sign. It will give me 5. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, obviously 5 people are there. If we want to find out number of people whose salary is not equal to say 1500, so we can change this formula here. This less than and greater than sign is for not equal. So I can type here 1500. So it says there are 7 people whose salary is not equal to 1500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's also something in terms of say string data. If we want to find out how many cars they start with say A, so we can use formula like CountIf A2 to A20, which is our range, and I want to find out how many cars start with letter A, so I can type A here and then star. Star is a wildcard character, which means 0 or more characters. So you can press enter here. So it tells me there are 4 cars which start with A. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly, if you want to find out how many cars they end with letter A. So I can delete this character and I can type star A. That means any number of characters, but the end character must be A. So if I press enter here, that it shows me there are 9 cars which end with A. So obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 cars which are ending with A. So this is how to use the CountIf function in Excel. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe, share and like the video. Please do let me know in comments if you face any issues.